Hey everyone, welcome back to NattyTechInsights. Let's be real, building a resume from scratch is a pain, and paying for a fancy template? Even worse. But what if I told you that in 2025, you can create a stunning, professional resume for absolutely free? No watermarks, no trial periods, no hidden costs. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 free resume builders that actually deliver. Whether you're a student, a seasoned professional, or making a career change, one of these tools is your secret weapon. Stick around, because at the end, I'll tell you which one is my absolute number 1 pick. Let's dive in. Number 1. Zedy Resume Builder. First up is Zedy. This tool is fantastic for its step-by-step guidance. It feels like having a career coach walking you through the entire process. Why it's great? It creates modern, ATS-friendly resumes that actually get past automated screening systems. The free deal. You can build your entire resume for free and download it as a plain TXT file. Perfect for copying into online application forms. Heads up, for a polished PDF, there's a paid upgrade, but the free version is incredibly robust for building and editing. Number 2. Canva Resume Builder. Next is Canva. If you think Canva is just for social media graphics, think again. Their resume builder is a powerhouse for creativity. Why it's great? It offers tons of visually stunning templates. This is the king for designers, marketers, content creators, or anyone in a creative field. The free deal. This is huge. 100% free PDF downloads. No strings attached. You get full access to their design tools to make a resume that's truly unique. Number 3. Kickresume. At number 3, we have Kickresume. This builder brings the power of AI to the table to save you time. Why it's great? Its AI feature helps you write professional content for your resume in seconds. It's like autocomplete for your entire career history. The free deal. The free plan lets you use the AI writer and download your resume in TXT format. For a design PDF, you'll need to upgrade, but it's a top choice for beating writer's block. Number 4. Novoresume. Coming in at number 4 is Novoresume. This tool is all about clean, professional, and effective design. Why it's great? Its templates are HR approved and laser focused on clarity and readability. It's perfect for corporate jobs, engineers, and finance roles. The free deal. You can create a solid, one-page resume for free. It's the ideal choice for students or entry-level professionals who need to make a strong, concise impact. Number 5. Resume Genius. And rounding out our list is Resume Genius. This is one of the fastest and most straightforward builders out there. Why it's great? It has a massive library of pre-written phrases and job-specific suggestions tailored to your industry. It's incredibly beginner-friendly. The free deal. Similar to Zedy, you can build and edit for free and download a TXT file. It's your go-to for a quick, no-hassle resume build. So which one should you choose? Here's my quick breakdown. For the creative, use Canva. The design freedom and free PDFs are unbeatable. For the job seeker, use Zedy or Novoresume. Their ATS-friendly formats give you the best shot at getting an interview. For the speed demon, use Kickresume or Resume Genius to leverage AI and get a draft done in minutes. My number 1 overall recommendation? For most people, start with Zedy. Its perfect balance of guidance, modern design, and ATS optimization makes it the most reliable choice to get you hired. But I want to hear from you. Which of these free resume builders are you most excited to try? Let me know your pick in the comments below. If this video saved you time and stress, do me a huge favor. Like this video to help others find it. Subscribe to NattyTechInsights and hit the bell so you don't miss our next tips on crushing your career goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.